So yesterday, we actually saw a great example of AI psychosis and in a way, the world catching up of what is possible as well. So IBM, the stock of IBM, the famous company that in the past people said you never get fired when you're buying IBM. Their market capitalization dropped by 30 billion. It's the steepest drop. It's like, I think, 13% since 2000. So since 26 years in a given day. And the reason for that is absolutely fascinating. The reason for that is that Anthropic launched a blog post that was referencing and summarizing content, specifically an ebook, that they published already in August last year. So there was no new product launch, no new announcement, nothing net new other than a reference to a white paper about code modernization, specifically focused on COBOL, that they already created and published in a world where the models still looked widely different. And I think that really describes the market where we are in right now, and also has a certain truth to it. I think there is definitely, COBOL would not die tomorrow, for sure not. It will live on, but it starts to price in a couple of the opportunities that we start to see unfold over the next years. And I think it's interesting to look a bit deeper and understand what is happening, because the moment we are living in right now allows for changes that we never dreamed are possible in the past.
COBOL migrations are rightfully so considered some of the hardest migrations you can do. The people who knew how this code worked left the company 2 years ago, and there is a lot of business risk riding on getting it wrong. So COBOL migrations have been considered the hardest thing. The fact that Anthropic summarized a past ebook and said we can do COBOL migration now gets people's imagination going. There's a newfound optimism, and we can finally migrate off these past platforms. And people aren't just thinking COBOL. People are thinking Java. People are thinking Python. People are thinking past design decisions that haven't lived up to reality. There is a newfound optimism in making migrations cheap and possible. And that is what is disrupting the market. So while some look at this and are somewhat scared on what's happening, like these old greats are taking a beating like this, others look at this and go like, oh my God, the opportunity. And there is so much opportunity in this, and has been for so long. It's just people are waking up to it. It's an incredibly exciting time and something I have not seen like this ever before.